Hey, Zero. Down. Come on. Stay down. Thank you. Yep, yes, I know. Down. Down. What are you doing in there? Okay, let's head into the workshop, which is my workshop. Alright, here's our tank. God, can we? Thank you. Jesus Christ. I got the mallet, that. Alright, here's the saw, got everything. Bit dirty, but yeah. Here's my pickaxe. Okay, where's my axe? Here it is. I made it by myself too. It's really good. I am a bit sick right now, which is a problem. But we are going to be helping fix up my spot of grass over here. Hang on, I'll be back. I'm coming back. So with this we got a pot. Yeah. Face reveal. No, not now. Not Zula. Hey, Zula. Zula, sit. No, sit. Zula, down. Sit. Zula, down. Down. Good girl. Yes, Papa. Alright. For my fellow men. Ooh. Let's go again. What about with this? Nice.